Darren Amato from Bandanas Online again. Right behind me, it's a beautiful thing. We've got bandanas interspersed with t-shirts coming off the belt. We're running a project today for a custom one-color print discharge printing bandana job for one of our orthodontic clients. It's a light gray bandana with a white print, and we're using discharge method of screen printing, which is a water-based safe ink that offers little to no feel at all. I'm going to grab one of these off the belt. All right, let's put it down over here, give it a close look. You can see it's got a 1-inch border around the edge, but everything else is covered with their pattern design. This is a white discharge ink, and you can barely feel it there. So if you need custom bandanas, give us a call. We're right here in New Jersey, American-made product, made in New Jersey. Thank you.